Alright, I took this lens all the way up to Paris in France, and damn, it's good. What's going on, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope everybody's feeling safe and is fine. Let's begin right away with reviewing this lens. As you just saw in this little intro sequence, this lens can produce amazing stuff. Usually I go through my reviews beginning with the build quality of the lens, then the image quality, and then the performance, but let's change things up a little bit. Let's talk about the image quality of this lens right away. And as you saw in that little intro sequence, the images or the photos, the video was all straight from the camera, no picture profiles, 4K 25 frames per second, and the photos were edited, of course, raw files, and you know, from 28 all the way up to 200, the images are looking really nice. In regards to image quality, I really don't have any complaints. Is there a huge difference between this one and the other zoom lenses from Tamron? There is a slight difference, I think, if I had to say with percentages, like 10% difference or so. The background bokeh or the blurriness in the background of this lens is not as smooth as the other zoom lenses from Tamron. But you know, for travel stuff and just capturing the moments of your traveling, all those things, you know, does background blurriness or bokeh really matters? I don't think so. So image quality wise, it's very good. I think it's excellent for this. You know, the price that you pay for this lens here in the Netherlands is around 860 euros. I believe in the US roughly around the same price, $800 or so. Link here. Boom. For both photo and video, image quality wise, excellent, thumbs up. Let's continue on to the next, and that's the performance of this lens, how it performed. Here are some examples, and as you can see in these little examples, the autofocus is really good for both photo and video. It just captures the face, captures the images, or captures the subject without any hesitation, and it just performs really good, even in low light situations. This is a low light situation example here, and I just didn't have any real issues with the performance. Now we got it. Image quality, image quality and performance is excellent. What about the build quality of this lens? Well, let's take a closer look. It doesn't have any button or dial switches whatsoever on the outside, just only this locking mechanism, which is actually quite handy, because as I was walking around in Paris without the lock switch on, it just slowly moves all the way up to 50 or 70 or so. So if you're walking around with this lens and you know you have it on your strap or just in your hand, it will, the locking mechanism is really a great feature on this lens. But in overall, it's very lightweight actually. I think it's roughly around 700 grams or so, maybe even less, and weather sealed, how it feels in your hand, how it just, you know, if you're traveling with this lens like I did for 4 days or so, and it was just a breeze. I didn't have any issues with just traveling with this lens, going in the subways, walking around for miles, kilometers whatsoever, going all the way up to the Eiffel Tower without no problems. So build quality wise, how it feels and everything, just excellent. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking for a great travel zoom lens, an all-in-one lens for your Sony full frame camera, of course you can use it also on your Sony crop sensor camera, then this is definitely worth checking, and I highly recommend it, you know, because it's just so convenient. Just having one lens, traveling with it, capturing all the stuff. Might add one extra lens with it, maybe a ultra wide zoom lens or just an ultra wide prime lens, maybe a 20mm or so, because sometimes the 28mm or 24mm even is not wide enough to capture the gloriness of a building or something, a landscape or anything, you know. So I think an extra prime lens such as the 20mm from Tamron itself, because that's also very lightweight and affordable, or the Samyang 18mm f2.8, which is also a great lens and small lens as well, also very affordable. Then you got like this lens and then the other lens. That's it. That's all you need to capture all those great stuff from your travelings. So for travel, this is highly recommended from my end, and that's all. I'm very happy with this lens. So might end up owning this lens, and yeah, in terms of image quality, as I mentioned before, in regards to in comparison to the 28-75 or even the 70-180 or even the 17-28, this one is a little bit softer, but just like 10% or so. So yeah, there you have it, guys. That's all. So yeah, if you want to see more reviews, subscribe to the channel. That will be highly appreciated. And yeah, that's all. Thank you again. Stay safe, stay healthy. What's coming up next? I think the Sony ZV-1 selfie vlog camera. I think that would be great as well, just to review it, just check it out. And yeah, maybe Sony a7S III in September when it comes out. Canon EOS R5 and R6, if that's already available here in the Netherlands. I don't even know for sure, to be honest. So yeah, great things will come in this channel. So that's all. Have a good one. Stay safe, stay healthy. Good luck.